Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use for loop in Apex with Salesforce Developer Console. So we open developer account and then click on setup and then go to developer console. That should open a new window. Okay, that looks something like this. Now here go to debug menu, then click on open execute anonymous window, remove any existing code that you have. Then let's first create an integer and let's see value assigned to that integer I is 1. Okay, and I want to count from 1 up to, let's say, 4 or 3. So what I will do is I will use for keyword, then set value of initial I is 1, or you can even reset it to 0. Okay, we have already assigned one value, so we don't have to usually reassign that. So we'll remove the previous value and reassign here. Then I is less than 3 and then I plus plus. So what will happen is basically it will start from 0, then 1, 2, 3. It will output anything that comes within this loop. So let's say we type in system.debug value of I. Okay, and that's it. So if we execute this, what will happen is it will output value from 0, 1, 2, and when it comes 3, it should come out of that or exit out of that loop. So let's execute this and it should open a log. Okay, so let's check for user debug option. Okay, here you see user debug value 0, then 1, and then it becomes 2 and then comes out of loop. So you get the idea how for loop works in Apex.